Hi everyone, say hi back, let us know you're watching. There's Amy, say hi to Amy. So today we are planting up some citronella plants, and these are going in 6-inch pots. And citronella, of course, is a very we got our plug tray right there. So planting up lots of citronella plants, and I wish we could share what they smell like. They smell so good. This is one of those that it's a lot of fun to just rub your hands through it. And when I'm watering in the greenhouses, when I hit that area that has all the citronella, it just smells awesome. So we're just gonna talk a little bit briefly about these are a bug repelling plant, and there's several of them, but I'm just gonna kind of park it right on citronella. And citronella is actually, it's in the geranium family, so it is a scented geranium, and they still have kind of the care for geraniums. This really gets big, so it would be kind of categorized as a very large geranium, but it does not flower. It's just basically a decorative, the leaves, and of course they give off that citronella, that kind of that citrusy scent that the bugs don't like. And yeah, this is the actual plant that they use in all the candles and sprays, and for springtime when you want to spray that scent, and that helps keep the bugs away. So this is a great one. It's very popular for our customers. Being up in the North Woods, we have a lot of mosquitoes. The thousands of lakes around here, and the swamps, and we have a lot of mosquitoes. So our customers are always looking for some remedy for whether they're up at the cabin or they're on the lake or whatever, and there's lots of mosquitoes. So citronella is one to consider. It's very popular for us. It sells out pretty fast because everybody comes in and they plant up their cabin.
Yeah, we try to buy more and more each year, and
yeah,
some years we're way over, and some years we're not.
Yeah, but not lately. We're not usually over, and we only have so much square footage in our greenhouses to try to fit everything in. So it's not like, oh, we'll just plant up 300 more of these. We only have.
We don't ship in plants as far as when the growing season is. We ship in plugs when we're starting now, but we don't ship in plants that are finished. We grow everything ourselves. A lot more control over it that way.
Yeah, we're finicky like that. We like to grow things. I'm finicky like that. So it's already been a busy morning though for us. I spent time doing a newsletter on our beatyourneighbor.com, a newsletter. Yeah, if you haven't checked out our newsletter, you go to our beatyourneighbor.com and you can sign up for that newsletter. That's always the latest videos and tips and tricks and blog articles, and we highlight some of the products that we have in there. Videos, Amy did a cooking video, so if you haven't checked that out, she did a chicken pot pie video last night. That's what was our supper.
Do you know how hard it is to do a video with him filming and you're trying to do supper at the same time and make it quick? Because a video takes a while. You should post that picture of that Samantha took.
I did.
Of you sitting on the counter?
I was sitting on the counter and
just waiting.
I was just hungry. I'm a lot worse when it's some sort of dessert that she's making, like the cinnamon buns or the cookies. Oh my goodness, it's awful to
hanging over my shoulder.
Yeah, I'm like, come on, finish up this video. I'm hungry. And but we're posting also the pie
crust.
The pie crust. The recipe and the video, we'll be posting that today, so I'll be watching for that. We'll get that out there, and we're always going to post those videos to our YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe to us on YouTube. So check out our Sharky's Greenhouses YouTube channel. That's where most of the videos are going to go. So if you're only on Facebook, you're going to miss some videos because we post most of that material to YouTube. So you can either look up Sharky's Greenhouses on YouTube, or you can also look up the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That should get you to our channel, and we post a lot more there. What else we got going on? Oh, we had a good, funny we had a funny belly laugh last night. Amy's giving it the thumbs down at our son.
Not amused.
So there's some people that are just knuckleheads, and they'll comment something stupid, all right? It happens, and it happens mostly to me. because they're like, oh, you talk too much, you drone on, whatever.
I like it better when it happens.
Yeah, when they're attacking me, it's okay, but they go after Amy, it's just stupid. And so somebody had commented some stupid. I had to look up what the word meant, and it was really nasty. But when I looked it up, we started laughing and giggling, and
no, not we.
Okay, our son, Alex and I mean, we're almost on the floor laughing because of what this person called you on your cooking video. And, you know, if you're going to post something derogatory, you're getting banned. You know, I deleted it, and they cannot post on our site anymore. But it was kind of funny.
It really wasn't.
it was mean, but it was kind of funny what the meaning meant. So you know, if you're gonna say something nasty, just go somewhere else. Go watch some cat videos. You know, we're just regular people. We're not trying to do this for fame and fortune. We're just trying to help you. So if you're just a nasty old crusty person, don't comment. Go away. But we don't need that at the end of a 16-hour day. And then you're going through comments and you're like, oh my goodness, you know, really, I got to deal with this. So, you know, not that we can't.
We do try to monitor the comments so
Yeah.
that, you know, there are people that will spam or they'll, you know, want to be like, oh, I saw your comment and I want to be your friend or something.
Yeah, don't just
And we try
report
to
that.
go through there and delete as much as we can before any of you see those comments.
It's getting hard though. I mean,
yeah, it
like,
just gets interesting.
if you message us on Messenger on Facebook, it's so hard because we've got 50 of those spams every single day to go through that, you know, they're just constant.
We try really hard to take care of that.
It's a lot. It's like, oh, okay, we added another 2 hours of work to our night of just trying to go through and monitor as we get more popular, these spammers just come after us and they're just constantly. So that's just one of the things we deal with. But, you know, not that we can't handle some constructive criticism, no problem. Yep. But if you're being nasty, your stupid comments that are just derogatory, you're not going to be commenting anymore. But anyway, so we thought it was funny. Alex and I thought it was funny, but
yeah, to the point of you called Samantha and FaceTime to let her know.
Yeah. So yeah, we had to have a group family funny night. So anyway, but tomorrow we're gonna take a little different look for Fertilizer Friday. So we're actually gonna be live from not the greenhouse, but we're gonna be live from formerly our floral shop. We're gonna show you what our floral shop looks like now because a year in May we closed our floral shop because we just couldn't handle greenhouses, fertilizer business,
wanted to be more focused.
Yeah, we wanted to be more focused, and that's why we permanently closed the floral shop. So we're going to take you there and give you a look what the floral shop looks like now, today. So we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Bye now.